Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today in the video, we are going to learn phonic sounds from K to Z. In the last video, we have learned phonic sounds from A to J. So let's start. K. What is the sound of K? K. What is the sound of K? K. Kiwi, king, kite, K. K. What is the sound of K? K. L. What is the sound of L? L. Leg. Lion. Lamp. M. The letter is M. What is the sound of M? M. Monkey. Milk. Magic. Magician. Next letter is N. 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 What is the sound of N? N. Nose, napkin, nest. O. What is the sound of O? O. Orange, open, octopus. O. Octopus, orange, open. Open the door. Open the windows. Next letter is P. P. The sound of P is P. P. Pencil, peacock, popcorn. Q. The sound of Q is Q. The sound of Q is Q. Quilt, queen, question, quilt, Q. Queen, Q. Question. Next letter is R. The sound of R is R. Rain, raincoat, rabbit, ring, R. Rabbit, ring, rain, raincoat. Next letter is S. S. What is the sound of S? S. Salad, ship, sun. Next letter is T. T. What is the sound of T, children? T. Tomato, TV, teacher. T. T. Next letter is U. The sound of U is A. Umbrella, uncle, upset. Upset means sad. Upset, umbrella, uncle. Next letter is V. The sound of V is V. Van, vegetables, vase, V. Next letter is W. The sound of W is W. Watermelon, W, W. Watch, water, W, W. Water, watch, watermelon. Next letter is X. The sound of X is X. The sound of X is X. X-ray, Xmas, xylophone, X, X. The sound of X is X. X-ray. Y. The sound of Y. Which letter is this? Y. The sound of Y is Y. Yellow. Yak. Yo-yo. Yo-yo is a toy. Yak. Yellow. Next letter is, and the last letter, Z. The sound of Z is Z. Z. Zebra. Zero. Zucchini. So children and parents, if you like my video, please share, comment and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more educational videos. Thank you and have a good day.